Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're tackling something absolutely foundational, unlocking the Model Context Protocol. We're going to skip the fluff and get straight to the good stuff, what this architecture actually is and why you should care. You know, as folks who follow this space, we want the bottom line before we invest our time, right? So the structure of what we're looking at today gives us this perfect, highly efficient roadmap. Let's break down exactly how it sets up this whole technical deep dive.
Taking a direct cue from the interface itself, let's literally skip navigation. We're not here to casually browse or take unnecessary detours. We want to rapidly get our heads around this system. Skipping that noise sets a tone, doesn't it? It's all about high efficiency. We're zeroing in on exactly what matters most so we can grasp these core concepts as fast as humanly possible. So, if we use the search function as our guide here, what exactly are we trying to uncover? When you filter out all that endless data noise, our focus naturally narrows down to one highly targeted query. We're asking, what is the core mechanism actually at play here? What's the precise subject we're putting under the microscope today?
Well, that target is MCP, which stands for the Model Context Protocol. This is our foundational anchor point for the whole explainer. Put simply, this protocol is the specific set of rules and environments that dictate exactly how an AI model operates and communicates. By formally defining this as the core operational system we're analyzing, we're drawing a firm boundary around our topic. I mean, if you're going to dissect a massive, complex framework, you have to understand its main purpose first, right? So there we go. We've established the exact perimeter of what we're learning.
Now pay attention to the deliberate use of the word unlocking here. To a lot of people, the Model Context Protocol kind of acts like a black box. It's dense, it's closed off, and it's full of these hidden mechanisms. But the promise being made to us is all about access. We aren't just staring at the outside of this box, we are prying it wide open to look at the gears inside. It's a guarantee that we're moving way past the surface level mystery and actively breaking this dense system open.
All right, moving into our first section, Origin, specifically looking at Anasup Consulting.
And that brings us to a very clear two-step procedural breakdown. Step 1, unlocking the protocol. So, removing that initial barrier to entry. Then step 2, discovering how it actually works. This is the real cognitive payoff we're looking for. It's your classic cause and effect learning pathway, right? First you get access, and then you get understanding. This kind of structured, step-by-step approach is literally what keeps us focused and makes sure we actually retain the architecture of the system.
Which leads us to the absolutely crucial point, the verbatim phrase from our source material, how the Model Context Protocol actually works. We are officially shifting gears from theoretical definitions to practical, mechanical operation. Getting straight to these mechanics, that's the ultimate goal for any focused learner. It serves as this necessary bridge, proving that understanding the underlying rules is the exact foundation you need before you can even think about applying this technology yourself.
So, now that the Model Context Protocol is unlocked and its inner workings are revealed, we're left with one final, incredibly provocative word: create. Because let's be real, understanding how a complex protocol operates is really only half the journey. Applying that newfound knowledge to actually build, innovate, or synthesize something completely new, that is the true endpoint of effective learning. So, with the keys to the Model Context Protocol now firmly in your hands, what exactly are you going to create with it?